Welcome to Back My Channel. Stop. Do not scroll past this. If you are saying even one of these words the wrong way, native English speakers notice it immediately. They do not say anything to you, they just think it quietly. And that feeling, that moment of embarrassment, you never want to feel it again. Stay right here. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to fix 10 of the most common English mistakes that almost every learner makes, not 10 random mistakes.
The exact mistakes that are killing your English confidence right now. Let's go.
Mistake number 1. You are at work. Your boss says something. You want to agree. So you say, I am agree. Stop. This is wrong, very wrong, and almost everyone says it. Here is why. Agree is already a full verb. It does not need am in front of it. Think of it like this. You would not say, I am like pizza. You say, I like pizza. Same rule. So the correct sentence is simply, I agree. Short, clean, confident. Say it. I agree.
Now, say the wrong one in your head and hear how strange it sounds. I am agree. You hear it now, right? Good. Memory trick. Agree stands alone. It needs no help. Comment yes if you already knew this one.
Mistake number 2. Someone is telling you about their child. They say, he go to school every day. You nod, but something sounds wrong, because it is wrong. When we talk about he, she, or it, we always add an S to the verb in present simple. Always, no exceptions. So, he go becomes he goes. She walk becomes she walks. It work becomes it works. Why does English do this? Nobody knows, but it does. So just accept it and remember, he, she, it, add the S. He goes, she runs.
It works. Repeat after me. He goes to school every day. Most people still make this mistake even after years of studying English. Do not be one of them.
Mistake number 3. This one is sneaky. Someone says, she is very beautiful girl. Sounds okay? It is not. There is a missing word. Can you see it? The word is a. She is a very beautiful girl. In English, when you talk about one person or one thing, one, not two, not three, you need a or an before it. This is called an article. No article equals a broken sentence. It is like a missing tooth. The sentence looks incomplete. So remember, one person, one thing, always use a or an.
She is a beautiful girl. He is a good teacher. It is a big mistake. Easy. Now you will never forget it.
Do not skip this part. The next mistake is one that almost everyone gets wrong, even at intermediate level.
Mistake number 4. You want to remember a moment. You pull out your phone. You say to your friend, make a photo. And your friend smiles, but inside they are wincing. Because we do not make photos in English. We take photos. Make is for things you create from nothing, like making a cake, making a plan, making a mistake. But a photo, you capture it, you take it. Take a photo, take a picture. Memory trick. The camera takes something from reality. It takes a moment and freezes it.
So you take a photo. You will never say make a photo again, I promise.
Mistake number 5. You are in a meeting. Someone says, let's discuss about the new plan. Sounds professional, right? Wrong. Discuss already means to talk about something. If you say discuss about, you are using about twice in spirit. It is like saying enter into inside. too much. The correct phrase is just, let's discuss the plan. No about. Discuss already has it hidden inside. We discussed the problem. They discussed the price. Simple, clean, professional. Cut the about.
Instantly, you sound more fluent.
If you know this next one, your English is already better than 80% of learners.
Mistake number 6. You want to say that something happened recently, so you say, I have seen him yesterday. Wrong. Yesterday is a finished time. It is done. It is in the past with a specific timestamp. When you use a specific time in the past, yesterday, last week, in 2010, 3 hours ago, you must use simple past, not present perfect. So the correct sentence is, I saw him yesterday. No have. Simple. I saw. She called. We went.
If it happened at a specific finished time, use simple past. No exceptions. Memory trick, specific time in the past means simple past. Done.
Mistake number 7. Someone asks, how long are you here? This sounds almost right, but the correct question is, how long have you been here? Why? Because have been shows something that started in the past and is still happening now. You are still here right now, so the action is not finished. Present perfect again. How long have you been waiting? How long has she been working there? How long have they been married?
When something started in the past and is still true now, use have been. Engrave this in your brain.
Comment below. Which mistake have you been making? Tell me, I want to know.
Mistake number 8. You hear something surprising. You want to express shock, so you say, I am boring. But wait, you just told everyone that you are a boring person, a person who makes other people fall asleep. You meant to say, I am bored. Bored versus boring. This is a huge difference. Bored means you feel that feeling. Boring means you cause that feeling in others. Same rule, tired versus tiring. Excited versus exciting. Interested versus interesting.
If you feel it, use the ed form. If something causes it, use the ing form. I am bored. The meeting is boring. I am excited. The news is exciting. Repeat it until it is automatic.
Mistake number 9. Someone says, can you explain me the rule? Simple request, but it is wrong. In English, explain needs the word to before the person. Can you explain to me the rule? Or better, can you explain the rule to me? The structure is explain something to someone, not explain someone something. This rule applies to a few other verbs too, like suggest. You do not suggest someone something. You suggest something to someone. I suggest this book to you.
Not, I suggest you this book. Small word, big difference.
Mistake number 10. Last one, very common. Someone asks, what is your suggestion? And you say, I want that we go to the park. Wrong. After verbs like want, suggest, recommend, and insist, when there is a second person involved, you must use want plus someone plus to plus verb, not want that. So the correct sentence is, I want us to go to the park, or I want you to try this, not I want that you try this. Memory trick. Want, need, would like, always followed by someone plus to.
I want her to come. He needs you to listen. She would like us to stay. Say it 5 times and it becomes natural.
Now, this is your challenge. Pause the video right here. Read this sentence. He don't like pizza, and yesterday I have eat with him. How many mistakes can you find? Pause now. Okay, ready?
Mistake 1. He don't should be he doesn't. Remember, he, she, it always needs the S, and the negative form is doesn't. Mistake 2. Yesterday I have eat should be yesterday I ate. Specific past time, yesterday, means simple past, and eat in past simple is ate, not have eat.
Never have eat. 2 mistakes, both fixed. Did you get them both? You did? Your English just improved in real time.
Quick recap. 10 mistakes, 10 fixes. I am agree, wrong. I agree, right. He go, wrong. He goes, right. Missing a before singular nouns, always add it. Make a photo, wrong. Take a photo, right. Discuss about, always just discuss. Specific past time, use simple past, not present perfect. How long are you here? Wrong. How long have you been here? Right. I am boring when you mean I am bored. Huge difference. Never confuse them again. Explain me. Wrong.
Explain to me, right, and I want that we go, wrong. I want us to go, right.
You just fixed 10 mistakes in 10 minutes. Your English is genuinely better right now than it was at the start of this video. That is not an exaggeration. That is real progress. Most people spend years not knowing these things. You just learned them all at once.
If this video helped you, and I know it did, subscribe right now. Every day I put out a new video that fixes real English mistakes just like these. Tomorrow's video is going to fix your speaking fluency, the exact reason why you understand English but freeze when you try to speak. You do not want to miss that one. Subscribe. I'll see you there.